Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I'll discuss about set the print area to print the entire workbook. Part 1. Sometimes you may want to print your entire Google Sheets workbook. You may want to print your entire Google Sheets workbook. Your entire Google Sheets workbook, which could include which could include multiple worksheets. Google Sheets has an option to do that too. Google Sheets has an option to do that too. When you print an entire workbook, make sure your printer has enough ink. Make sure your printer has enough ink to print your data. Also, feed enough paper into your printers paper tray. Ensure there's no interruption when you print your workbook. Ensure there's no interruption when you print your workbook. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.